Today we will be discussing about the basic charts and this a page navigation option available, as well as how to go through a particular web URL by clicking just an image. Those things we will discuss. Okay. So first of all, let us take a data set. Okay. What is the steps? First, we should go to the particular file that we are choosing. If it is a CSV file, you should take this one. Otherwise, if it is an Excel file, you should take this option. Okay. Depending upon the file that you are going to choose, you have to choose the options available in Get Data. There, I am taking the data set, this one, Zomato Clean. Okay. And open. So guys, actually what we are supposed to do is, we are not able to get the data set right now. What is the reason, all of you? Why data set is not there in the preview? Any idea?
Then we have to select sheet 1.
Yes,
Then the data will show.
correct. Now the sheet will appear, as well as my voice is clear, right? Any disturbance in the voice?
No,
No,
ma'am,
ma'am.
your voice is clear.
Okay. Okay, sorry, wait a second. I forgot to add Power BI students also. All the Power BI students are here? Okay. It is mentioned in the mail. Yeah, mentioned in the group. Okay, no problem with that. Okay. Let's wait for a second. Okay. So yes, for those who are joining late, I will explain once again for them. Okay. So right now we are having the data set. Now what is the option? What should we do? All of you? What is the next process to be done? Any idea from today's class?
Transform data.
Yeah, transform data, but this data is quite clean. I have cleaned it, so that's why I will simply load it. Okay. Yeah. Now we are having the data set. It will get loaded. Guys, those who have joined late, because I actually have not forwarded the link in your group. For them, I just want to tell you that today we are dealing with the basic charts and graph, as well as the page navigation and the how to go through a website using an image. Those kind of things we will be discussing. Okay. And the data set that I'm using is Zomato data set. Okay. If you want, I can provide it in your group also in order to do the practice and all. Right. So right now we are having this data set. I will explain about this data set. Before that, I will just rename it. Okay. Yes. And
Ma'am, the screen is not visible.
okay. Now it is visible.
Oh, yes, it is.
Yeah. So I have simply renamed the data set. It was earlier, the name was sheet 1 only. I renamed it. That's it, nothing else. Now I will discuss about the data set. Okay. So it's getting loaded. Yeah. These are some restaurants in Zomato. Okay. And whether online order facility is available or not, it is mentioned over here in this column. Okay. Yes or no, only two options are there. Whether online order facility is there or not. So corresponding to different restaurants, if that facility is there, it is mentioned as yes, then otherwise it will be no. Okay. And similarly, book table facility, table booking and all those facilities there or not. Only two options are there, yes and no. Okay. And in those restaurant, what are the ratings? So rating, it's a numerical value. It ranges from 0 to 4.9. 5 is the highest rating. So none of the restaurant got 5 rating. 4.9 is the highest value. Okay. Regarding votes, what are the votes they got? So it ranges from 0 to 1065. Okay. And regarding location, in which location they are situated, so it is mentioned. Okay. And next is see here the type of restaurant, how they are broadly classified. It is there. Okay. Cafe, delivery, desserts, pubs and bars, like that. And what is the cost when two people are visiting over there and they are having food? What is the average cost? So it ranges from 40 to 6,000. Okay. And regarding cuisines means what are the, I mean, food available over there? North Indian, South Indian, Chinese, like that. Okay. So different options are there. And this rest type is actually the subset of this type. Okay. Here you can see cafe, delivery, desserts, like that option is there. And this rest type is actually the subset of it. Bakery subset, I mean, bakery including beverage shop, cafe, like that. These are the subset of those types. Okay. The data set is clear to all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So right now what we will be doing, we will be trying to make some charts and all. Okay. And discover, we will try to get some insights also. So first of all, I am taking the tree map. One of the simple chart, tree map I am taking. Okay. If I want to know that how many restaurants are there in a particular location, okay, that means I have to put this location in category, okay, and the same location when I will put in details, okay, and so that it will, no, not details, sorry, in values, okay. Now you can see in this particular location, when I am moving my cursor over there, 2,484 restaurants are there, right? In this particular location, it is similar to the graph that we have seen yesterday, right? Like in the data set, you can see how many number of times this location is getting repeated will show you in that particular location, how many restaurants are there. Isn't it, all of you? Is it clear, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So this
Ma'am.
shows you that in which location, how many restaurants are there. Okay. This is simply a tree map. Yeah. What was your doubt?
Ma'am, what is the column number 1? Column 1.
Column 1. That is only a serial number. It's not that important. This column you're asking, right? It's not
Yes.
that important. It's not that important. Leave it. Okay.
Is it index?
It's simply like an index only, not important. Serial number index, like that. Okay. So right now this is our tree map. Okay. By the size of the tiles, we can understand that which one is having how much value. But in order to get the exact value of, number of restaurants in a particular location, we need to move the cursor. So how to get the number? That will be the next question, right? So you have to select that particular chart, tree map, go to the format option, okay? There legend option is there, okay? It is actually off. When you will make it on, you can see, sorry, not legend, actually data labels. Data labels is there. Legend only will give you this upper thing, that is this thing, okay? Which color belongs to which location. It is not required for us because it's already mentioned, no? So it is not at all required. So we don't need this one. Only the things that are required, just use that one, okay? So I will make it off. And regarding colors, if you want to change the color of those things, like BTM, if you want to change with any other color, you can do that, okay? Like blue color or any other specific color if you want, like this I can change it. Like this, you can change rest of the colors also if you want, okay? And please mute your audio, whoever have unmuted it, Prithviraj and Ravishu. If you have some questions, you can ask. Otherwise, mute your audio. Thank you. Okay, so right now, when I made this data label on, okay, first of all, I have to select it. And in this, when I'm making this data label on, you can see the value 2.48K, okay? And when I'm making it off, it is going, right? So keep it on so that you will be able to see the values correctly, okay? Category labels are already on. When you make it off, that BTM, whatever locations were there, that is going on. And when you are making it on, it is again appearing in the graph, okay? And now if you are not satisfied with the size and all, like what is the size of this values, okay? So in that case, you can simply write size over here, okay? When you will write size, it's not showing. So one by one, we will go through it. So here in this category labels, if you want to change the size of this BTM and this Whitefield, HSR, Indiranagar, like that, okay? Then in category field, values are there, okay? You have to increase the values of it. Like font size, you can increase. Then you can see the location names are getting bigger, right? If you want to make it bold or italic, whatever you want, you can do that. Okay, underline, or if you want to change the font also, so many options are there, right? So that is how you can increase the size of it. Now still the number of restaurants available is very small in size, right? So in that case, what you should do is, you should go to this data labels, because this value means data labels only, okay? Then increase the size of these values. Okay, now they are becoming more visible. So the values is the thing that you should increase to, in values, you can see font, its size and all corresponding to different things, whether it is a categorical label or a data label, okay? So by just going through the values, you can increase its size, you can do some alterations in the font also. Is it clear to all of you?
Ma'am, can you explain me how to read tree map?
Tree map, it's very simple. I will tell you once again. Okay. So what you have to do, go to this tree map. This is the option for it. Okay. This is the visualization pane. Here you can get different graphs. Okay. So go to this tree map option. When you will click it, it will appear over here. Now what you have to do, you will put this location in category, right? And when you will put, then that will act simply as the category name only. Different names will be appeared in the tree map. And when you will put this location in values, now it will take it as, numerical things. That means it will take how many times that location is appearing. Okay. Based on that, it will make it tree map like this. In BTM, majority of restaurants are there. That's why, I mean, 2,484 restaurants are there. That's why it is bigger in size. The tile is bigger in size. Okay. And here you can see in this New Bell Road, only 582 restaurants are there. So that's why it is shorter in size. Is it clear, all of you?
So, ma'am, basically it is sorted from the top to bottom, right?
Correct, correct.
And
Yes.
higher at the top.
Yes, yes. So easily you can find out the top ones.
Okay, got it, got it. Thank you.
Welcome. Okay. So that is the thing. I am removing it because it is not required. We have discussed it, right? And you can increase the size and all that you already know, right? Should I need to explain it once again? How to increase the size and all? Is it clear, all of you?
Yes, ma'am, clear.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So now what I'm going to do is I will find out that how many types of restaurants are there. I mean, what is the rating of different restaurant? Okay. So for that, I will take a pie chart. Okay. This is our pie chart, right? Now what I will do is I will put this uh, types in legend. Okay. Now it will show me different types. 7 types are there, but this cafe, whatever. Okay. Pubs and bars, whatever is there. Okay. They are actually 7 in number. Okay. Now they will appear in a pie chart with different slices. Whichever slice is big, that shows you that particular, I mean, variable is higher in a particular value. Okay. So now I will take this ratings I will take. Okay. Ratings I will put in values. Okay. What I have done, type in legend and rating in values. Now it will show me that which particular thing is having the highest rating, right? Delivery is having the highest rating. But all of you, please tell me what is the maximum value of rating possible generally?
5.
4.9.
Correct. 5 is the maximum value, right? But it is showing us 49,780. So what is the problem over here?
Ma'am, it has sum of all the
Yes, correct.
counts.
It is by default, it is taking sum only. When you will go to this rating in values and you will right click over it, you can see by default sum is taken. Okay. You focus on one thing. Right now, when sum is there, delivery is the highest and dine out is the second one. Okay. When I'm taking average, everything will change. Now, drinks and nightlife is having the highest value. Okay. Now, drinks and nightlife, this one. Yeah, drinks and nightlife, this purple color. Here, the order is also in a, which value is highest, that will come at the top in legend also. Okay, it is covering 16% of the total. Okay, this is the exact thing that we should do. Okay, never take a rating in sum form. Always take it in average form. Now, why this problem is happening, that I will tell you. Let us take a simple horizontal chart. Okay. Now, I will put this type in x-axis and the same type in y-axis. Now it will show me delivery is the most of the restaurants are of delivery type, right? That's why when sum was taken, majority, rating was highest in case of delivery type. Is it clear to all of you?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Correct. You got the logic, right? Why that happened? Why that sum gave us delivery to be the highest, but average gave us delivery to be the lowest. It is clearly understood, right? Okay. Because most of the restaurants are of delivery type. That is the reason behind it. Okay. So in case of this pie chart, let us do some formatting. Okay. Let us go to this format. And this is legend. Okay. And if you will put legend off, this particular thing will go. Okay. When you will put it off, it will go. Now we don't know which value means what. Okay. So make it on. And detail labels means whatever values are there, like percentage and values that it is showing. Okay, 3.9 rating, 3.8 rating, 3.1 rating, and percentage also it is showing. Okay, when I will make it off, it will go. Now we don't know what it is. Okay, when we will move the tooltip over there, then only it is showing us. Okay, it is the tooltip. It will give you the value when you will move the cursor over there. Then only you are able to know. So always make this detail label on. Okay, then only values will be displayed over there. And if you want to rotate it, slices colors also you can change. Before rotation, I will tell you. See, different colors are there. Drinks and nightlife, we can give it as black. Whatever color we like, we can give it. Okay. So any other color that you like, you can give. Okay, like this. Right. And in case of rotation, you can rotate it too. Okay. Now it is at 0 degree. When you will rotate, you can see it is getting rotated. Okay. Like this, you can rotate that one. Okay. And regarding this values, if it is too small in size, if you want to increase it, in case of this detail label, go to this detail label. Okay. And there in values, you can increase its size. Okay. Now it is more visible. Like this, you can increase its size. And now in case of this labels, also similar thing is applicable. That is, go to this text. Okay. There you can increase its size. Okay. Like this. Right. And now in case of this type means title. Okay. You can change it, the type also. You can write different things also, like type or restaurant type, something, whatever you like, you can write. Okay. Okay. Like this, you can write. And you can alter it too. Like you can, change its size or, okay, that is also possible. Okay, for that you need to go to general, their title is on. You have to increase it. If you want to increase its size, oh, this title, figure title is over here. So you can increase the figure title over here. Okay, rest of the things also you can do. Is it clear to all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
With legend, this entire thing will change. Okay, and this value is corresponding to detail labels only. Okay. Detail labels. This value correspond to detail labels. Slices means you can change the colors of slices. You can rotate, and here you can rotate it too. Okay. So these are all regarding pie chart. Now, majority of people, majority of data analysts, they are not that much fond of pie chart. They, instead of that, they go with this donut chart. Okay, when you are choosing a visual, and if you don't like that visual, you want to change, you simply go to this visualization pane and click it. Okay. Now it got changed to donut chart, right? Is it clear to all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. And if you want to go
Yes,
to
ma'am.
the formatting of it, okay, it is somewhat similar only. Okay. All things are similar. You can see legend, slices, and detail labels, rotation, everything is same. Okay. Right. Only the shape is getting little bit changed. Okay. In case of general also, you can explore different things. Okay. When you are making this tooltip off now, so in that case, when you will move your cursor over there, nothing will appear. And when you will make this tooltip on, then only when you are moving your cursor over there, then things will appear. So this is what is called tooltip. Okay. You can put some effect also, like in background, you can put some colors if you want. Okay. Like if you want any other color, like light blue color, if you want, you can put that particular color. And transparency also you can change. Okay. If you want to make it light in color, you can alter this transparency. Right. And if you want to put some visual borders, then that particular border will appear. Right, like this. Okay. And in this same case, while going to format, if you want to, in general, in effects, usual border is there. If you want to make the corner not sharp one, somewhat rounded in there, there is an option called rounded corners. When you will make the rounded corners like this, you can see the corners are rounded. Okay, now it is somewhat more beautiful. So like that, you can do some changes as you like. Okay, in effects. If you want it more rounded, okay, you can increase its pixel. So it is appearing like this. Okay, and if you want to put some shadow, that is also possible. Okay, so go to this particular format, take general, and in effects, you can put some shadow also. Okay, now shadow is there. Like this, you can do some beautification process and all. And here in this case of bar chart, let us do some formatting. Okay. So here, what I'm going to do is, I will, first of all, I will increase the size of this thing so that it is more visible to you. Okay. Now, in case of y-axis, the same way, values I will increase in size. Okay, now it is more clearly, visible to everyone, I guess. Now, if you want to change the title, count type, okay. If you want to change it with any other name, like number of, different types of restaurants or count of different types of restaurants, you can name it like that, okay. Like okay. Like this, you can change the names also if it is somewhat looking odd. Okay. So that is how you can do. And their size is very small, right? You can increase the size also. Like for this one. Go to format and there in y-axis. We are running out of time, only 10 minutes are left. And when the meeting will end, all of you please rejoin the meeting, okay? So this is how you can increase the title. Now title is becoming bigger, right? And similarly, in case of this, this title also, you can change the size of it, okay? For that, you need to go to x-axis and there in title, you have to increase the size. Okay, now type is becoming bigger. Now, if you want to increase the size of this particular title, or if you want to alter it, if you are making it off, it will go. If you are making it on, and if you want to change its size, that also is possible. Okay, and here a lot more options are there. Like when you will go to visual, okay, there close this x and y axis. Now these grid lines are very light in color. Okay, it is not that much visible. Okay, so in that case, you can go to grid lines. If you don't like the dotted version of it, you can make it solid also. Okay, and you can change the color. Now the lines are clearly visible. Okay, if you don't like solid, you can make it dashed too. Okay, so this is how you can alter the grid lines. And you can put some zoom slider also. I will make it on. Now I will slide it like this so that minute details I can check. Okay. If you want this zoom slider, you can use it. Okay. Now the problem with this bar chart is it is all blue in color. If you want to change the color, go to columns and they are by default blue. It is blue in color. Okay. We have discussed this thing in previous class also. So in order to alter all the bars, put this show all on. Okay. And in delivery, if you want black color, you can take it. If this one you want light blue in color, or that is also you can do. Whatever color you like, you can put it. Okay. like this. Okay, option bars, in color. Like this, you can alter the entire graph. Whichever colors you need, you can take it. And spacing also, the spacing between these bars also can be altered with the help of the spacing option. Okay. Like you can alter it like this. Inner padding, when you will increase the inner padding, it will become thin in size. Okay. And here values are not there, right? When we will move our tooltip over there, then only we can see the values, but by default it is not showing. So take the data label on, then only it will show you the approximate value. Okay, it is showing the approximate value, not the exact value, right? And you can put something else in the background also, like you can put some images. Okay, like whatever images that you like. I'll take a few images. So for image, you can use this, wait. There is a particular website called freepic.com. There you can get the copyright free images also, okay? Here you can put anything, but before that take free, okay? Then you can write something like background images. Okay, any color that you like, you can take. Any background image that you like, you can take it, okay? Okay, it is in zip mode. I will take a small picture and I will tell you. That would be more better. Okay, so you can put some images, like you can put some watermark also, like if you're having company's logo and all, you can put that thing. Okay. The images, yeah, and this one. You can put it as watermark also. Okay. It's appearing over here. If you want to change the, if you want to fit it in the entire image, this thing, you have to make this image fit as width. Okay, now it is appearing entire. Okay. Otherwise, if normal fit is okay with you, you can take that thing too. Okay. And if you want it as watermark, alter this transparency. Now it will look light in color as a watermark. Is it clear to all of you?
Yes, sir.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Okay. So this is how you can do some alteration in case of this chart also. This horizontal bar chart also, you can do the same. Like I will take this type in y-axis and I will take the votes in x-axis. Okay. Now you can see Dynout is having the highest number of votes. Delivery also. Okay. So here also same changes you can do, like you can do the alteration in case of size of these entries, as well as you can change the grid line, same thing. Same as that of the normal bar chart, options are there over here. Okay, in place of columns, bars is there. Okay, and you will make it on, and then you can see whatever colors you can put, you can do that. And when you will put the data label on, data values are coming over here. It is the approximate value only, and you can put some background images also. Okay, or you can change the background color also. Right? Is it clear to all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, background color you can change in effects. Okay. If you want a light blue color like that, whatever color you need, you can do that. Okay. So there is one funnel chart. This is our funnel chart. It will show the highest value at the top and lowest value at the bottom. So I will take this type in category and I will take this cost in values. Now it will show me which particular category is having the highest cost. Okay. If you want to take the average also, that is also okay. Okay. So while taking the average, it is showing us drinks and nightlife is having the highest cost. Okay.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes. Yes. What is
Hello,
your
ma'am.
yes?
Ma'am, how to change this text align to center, that which is title 1?
This one. This text, it will
Ah,
come like this.
No, ma'am. Average of cost by type, na? It's the title of the graph.
This one you are asking. Average of cost. How to change this one?
Yes, ma'am. How to change it to center align? Like in center, it is a left to top, right? So how to change it center?
Okay. We will try that. I have not checked it yet. Okay. So alignment is there. Horizontal alignment is there. It will come in the middle. For
Okay,
that,
ma'am. Thank
what you have to do, select the visual. Okay. I will tell you once again. Go to the format option, and in general, their title option is there. Okay. In title, there is alignment option also, horizontal alignment. You can choose the middle one, the center alignment. Okay. In title,
Okay, ma'am.
general title. Okay. Yeah. Okay. So I hope it is clear to all of you. Here also the same way you can, I mean, as we did in case of horizontal bar chart and vertical bar chart, you go to visual. Their data labels is already on. Colors you have to take. Okay. In colors, when you will make all on, now you can change the colors of them like this. Okay. Similar to rest, the same way.
Excuse me, ma'am. Can we change the alignment of this this y axis bullet points like that drinks nightlife? Can we change the alignment?
Alignment of this one. So for
Yes.
that, you need to go to y-axis. I have already selected it. Go to visual, and in that,